Hi everyone, it's Babita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair tutorial video where I'll be sharing how I quickly make my loose curls using a hair curler. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And if you guys like my video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to make my loose curls, I'm going to use my Panasonic curling iron and my hair scrunchie. And so to make my loose curls, I first grab all of my hair and tie them into a ponytail, securing that with my hair scrunchie. And once I done tying my hair, I start curling them using the curler. For that, I take some of my hair, or let's say make a thin strands, and then I'm curling my hair around my curling tongs, and I leave them for about 40 seconds or more sometimes, I guess. Timing depends on your hair type though, and I continue this until I finish curling all of my hair. and at the end I curl any leftover hair or that I want to curl again, and yeah, I'm done. And this is how my loose curls look like. So that's it for today. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the thumbs up button, and also comment down below if you like this hair tutorial and if you want me to make any other hair tutorials. So I see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.